Everyone, very good morning. Let's go to see our lesson for today. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is Unit 10 Technology. For that, please refer your textbook page 117. Okay, today our topic is My Choice of Building Set. A building set is a set of components that is used to build several types of models, and it includes an illustrated manual. So here I have a lot of word that new for you, that is component, models and illustrated manual. Let's go to see what is all the words meaning of. Okay, this one is building set. Okay, look at here. Gemilang building set. So all together here we call building set. Okay, this one is the illustrated manual. That means you can refer the paper to build a building set. Okay, this one we call model. Here, this one is helicopter model and this one is the aeroplane model. Okay, different building sets allow you to build different models. From this building set, you can choose the model you want to build. Should we build a model of a helicopter? What do we need to do now? We must assemble the model based on the illustrated manual. That means before you build a model, you must refer the illustrated manual for to know how to build the model. Okay, look at here. Identifying components in the illustrated manual. A manual is a guide to help you to assemble a model from a building set correctly. You can identify the required building components. Building set model can be assembled easily by referring to the illustrated manual. Okay, this one is the illustrated manual for model of a helicopter. Look at the helicopter. You have the blue, red, yellow and green color. Okay, this one you will have all the units in the building box set. Okay, this one the step to how you want to build the model of helicopter. So you must just follow you must follow one by one according to the illustrated manual. Okay, first you must put red color, then join with the yellow, then put the blue, then join together, then last one until number 7 you will get the model of helicopter. Okay, hope you understand what teacher explained to you just now. So let's go to see our exercise for today. Okay, today you have to do page 77 from the activity book. Okay, here you have to cut and paste the picture of models, provide correctly, tick correct to the model of your choice. Okay, here you cut and paste in the circle. Okay, second one, page 78, component and illustrated manual. Based on the illustrated manual, tick correct the components needed to build the model below. State the number of components. Okay, so you put the answer. Number 3, page 79, building set manual. This one is the building set manual. So answer the question according to the picture. What is the model above? So what is the model above? This one is what? How many components are used? This one is the components. So how many you use? At which step does the wing section begin to be assembled? Which one have the wing? And number 4, what will happen if you assemble a model without referring to the manual? What will happen if you not refer to the manual? Okay, last one, page 80. Write the numbers 1 to 6 in the correct sequence. Which one number 1, which one number 2, which one number 3, until number 6. Okay. So after finish, please take the picture, page 77 to 80, and send in the telegram. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you next week with the new topic. Thank you.